Welcome back, student. Today we are going to study chapter number 14, element, compound, mixture, standard 7. Element, compound, and mixture. My dear student, all the objects which are found in our surrounding are made up of matter. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. This we have studied in lower classes. Let's see one example of a substance which is found in solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Example: water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. Water is found in all the three states: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Ice cube, solid state, water in liquid state and water vapor in gaseous state. These are three states of matter. When we heat water cube, the solid is converted into liquid. When we heat the liquid is converted into water vapor, that is gaseous state. So when we provide heat to solid get converted into liquid. When we heat the liquid get converted into gaseous state. So we can change the state of water from solid to liquid to gaseous state with the help of heat. In the same way, if we remove the heat from water vapor, the water vapor will be converted into liquid. Again, if we remove the heat from the liquid will be converted into ice, that is solid. All the objects found in our nature are made up of matter. Matter is made up of three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. If we take example of water, water is found in solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. When we heat ice, the ice is converted into liquid. When we heat the liquid is converted into gaseous state. All the objects found in nature are found in solid, liquid or gaseous state. These objects are made up of matter. The properties of an object, depends upon matter. My dear student, object is made up of matter. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. The properties of an object depends upon matter. Three examples are given in our book. We will study all the three examples. The three examples which are given in our book are white chalk, a solid object, blue ink, a liquid, and fragrance of the perfume is gaseous state. Now we have seen object in three states: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. They all are made up of matter. The properties of white chalk is because of matter which makes the white chalk. The properties of blue ink is because of the matter present in blue ink. The properties of fragrance of perfume, which is in the gaseous state, is because of the matter present in fragments of perfume. My dear student, if we take an object and make small pieces of an object, we get a molecule of object. We can break this molecule of object. When we break this molecule of object, we get atom of an object. The atom is the smallest particle. It cannot be divided further. And this is made up of matter. And this matter gives the property to an object. My dear student, we know that an object has mass. It also occupies space. Therefore, we can say that an object has mass and volume. When it occupies space, we can say that it has volume. An object has mass and it occupies space. Therefore, we can say that an object have mass and volume. Occupy space means it has volume. But object is made up of what? Object is made up of mass. An object is made up of matter. An object has mass, it occupies space. Therefore, we can say that an object has mass and volume. Occupy space means volume. But object is made up of matter. Therefore, we can say that. What can we say from this? We can say that matter also have mass and volume. The mass and volume are the important properties of matter. My dear student, in our surrounding, there are different types of objects. These objects are made up of matter. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. The properties of an object depend upon the matter with which they are made up of. If you take an example of white chalk, the white chalk gets the property because of the matter with which it is made up of. Blue ink get the property because of the matter present in blue ink. And the fragments of perfume gets the property because of fragments of perfume present in it. So, from this we can say that matter gives property to an object. An object has mass and it occupies space. Therefore, we can say that an object has mass and volume. But an object is made up of matter, and therefore we can say that matter also have mass and volume. Mass and volume are the important properties of matter. An object has mass and it occupies space. Anything which occupies space, then we can say that it has volume. An object has mass and volume, but an object is made up of matter. We have studied, and therefore we can say that matter also have mass and volume. The mass and volume are the important properties of matter. Matter made up of one constituent is called substance, whereas matter made up of two or more substance is called mixture. One more time. Matter made up of one constituent is called substance, whereas matter made up of two or more substance is called mixture. This is the definition which is given in our book. Matter made up of one constituent is called substance, whereas matter made up of two or more substance is called mixture. My dear student, in today's class we have studied object made up of matter, matter found in three states, solid, liquid and gaseous state. An object get the properties because of the matter which is present in it. Object occupies space, object has mass, but object is made up of matter. Therefore, we can say that matter also has mass and volume. Mass and volume are the important properties of matter. Matter which is made up of one constituent is called as substance, whereas matter made up of two or more substance is called mixture. So, we have studied object, matter, properties of matter, substance and mixture. That's all, student. We'll stop here.